Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This October 15, 22 variant, question number 6. This is a simple question. We have to simplify. And best technique how to start, one time plus and one time minus. So x plus 7 by 2 equal to root 5 by 2. And one time I will write here minus root 5 by 2. So it goes there. So root 5 by 2 and minus 7 by 2. So its LCM is clear because the number is same. So 2 is LCM. Don't write 2 into 2 4. Okay. So this is our answer. And similarly here minus root 5 root by 2 and minus 7 by 2. Okay. And ultimately again LCM minus 5 and minus 7. Okay, he said give us 2 dp, so it is not a hard, simply type in calculator. Okay. Okay, wait please. Root and minus 7 divided by 2, and I am getting the answer here. Answer coming 2 dp minus 2.38, and the other one is only here negative sign extra, so it is giving us negative 4.61, 62 you can say. 2 dp is asking, so we have done it. Okay. Let's start the most important question. Okay, this is the most important question. Best technique, I will make a small example here. Small example. If you understand this example, question become easy for you. Example is here. I have this, forget this question. I have x to power 2 plus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Get the answer by factorization way. Okay. So 4 ones are 4. So you know factorization 4x plus 1x. Okay. So from here I got common. I am getting here 4. And similarly from here 1 common, I am getting 4. So match. So it means x plus 4, x plus 1 equal to 0. I got 2 answers, minus 4 and minus 1. So you have equation, you solve solutions. These are called solutions, okay? These are called solutions. Now reverse. Can you go reverse? Yes, we have a reverse technique. How? So from here I can go backward. How backward? I show here. So let's say I have solution number 1 and 2. What I will do, bring 4 here back. Like this. Bring 1 here back. Like this. And then multiply them. Like this. X times to x give you x square. X times to 1 give you x. And this will give you 4. And this will give you 4. And solve, we got 5x and plus 4 equal. So match. It means when I go backward, I can get my answer very, very easily. Okay. Now, this is the same process. These are our roots. Okay, read a question. The solution of this equation, which are here and here. Okay. Also the solution of this equation. So actually I have solutions. I have to go back and get the answer. So let's see how we can get it. Let's start. So this is a hard part only to understand, and I tried my best to help you. Okay. We have a technique here. I will assume this one. So that for example, x is equal to root 5 minus 7 by 2. This is called first root, and second root is actually here. These are 2 roots because he said the solution of this also solution of this one. So can I say these are solutions of this equation? Correct. Okay. Now I have to reshape it, and you know the way, what is method? 2 goes there and bring other side here. I got one thing. Similarly 2 multiplies there. It goes there. Now if I multiply them, I'll get my answer. Okay, so first of all, I will multiply, and you know that what I say, that 2x minus root 5 plus 7 and 2x plus root 5 plus 7 equal to 0. Okay, so this into this I got 4x square. This into this I got 2 root 5x. This into this I got 14x. With this minus 2 root 5x. With this minus plus minus, and root 5 only 5. So this I got a 7 root 5. Now with this I got 14x. With this I got 7 root 5, and with that I got a 49 equal to 0. Now you see 4x square I write here. How many x's? This and this cancelled. And 14 plus 14 I got 28x. Okay, now this and this cancel, and if you solve I get plus 44 comings. No, but this is not matching. Here no number, so this number not required. Divided by 4, I get x square, I got a 7, I got a 11. So Mabruk, this is B, so B is equal to 7, and this is C, and C is equal to 11, and this was a whole working. Actually we have another way even, but I think so you got the idea what I have done here. So let's go for the other question. So we have what here? This is minus 3x, and 7 comes on this side. So 13 minus 7, I'm getting minus 3x. Here I'm getting 6. And you know the rule is what here? Let me write a rule. What's rule for this one? Multiply or divide by negative value. So inequality sign changes. Inequality sign changes. You can flip, no problem. Sign changes. So this is a reason behind. So it means because minus 3 is coming down, so 6 by minus 3. So it will change. That's it, and answer will come this. Okay. This is easy. Some students bring this term there and solve it. I can solve direct even, no problem. Here 6 and 3. What is 6? 6 means 3 times 2, 6. So 3 match. So 3 gone. So what left? 2 left and x left. Okay. And from here 3 gone, only yt left. Okay. And from here I think so. Well, let me see. I think it is not working. We have to shuffle. So it's not working. We have one choice. So bring x term and x term together. So 6x minus xt, and I can write it. I think so. Here this value first, minus 3yt and plus 18y. So from here x common, I got 6 minus t. From here 3, 6 are 18, 3 common and y. So but I need with number. Okay, let me see what happens. I take 3 common. Okay, now in 3 and y common. Interesting part here, if I take plus common outside, so here it comes a minus t, and here I get a 6. And which is matching? How matching? T negative sign, T negative sign. 6 positive, 6 positive. If you take it here negative, what happens then? I show you. Negative, so this negative become positive and this become negative, but issue. What is issue? They are same but signs are opposite. So to make the sign same, what is my plan? I will take a plus common, so plus remain and this become minus. Is okay. Now match. You can reorder even 6 minus t plus 3y. How to reorder? 6 before and minus 2t later, no issue. Both are same. And 6 minus t and this together, and we got the answer. You can write in any order, no problem at all. Okay, so this is our answer is over. Talk about this question. This is a simultaneous equation, you know it. So let's see how we can do this question. There are many ways we want them equal to each other. I'm going for elimination. We have 2 ways, elimination and substitution. So I'm going for elimination. Okay. If we make them equal to each other or make them equal to each other, I can go for here 5 and 3. So this equation into 5 and the lower equation into 3. So 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 4, 20.